Hi everyone, my name is Robert.
Hi everyone, my name's Racquel and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today you haven't seen us visually on the screen, but you have our wonderful voices that you can listen to. Today's video is going to be with a gorgeous model and we were trying out a new camera.
Today we're looking at the new eye autofocus system for the Sony A6400, which we bought to replace our A6500 as part of our new minimalistic location setup, which we'll do a new video, which will be the one following this one.
As you can see from the video, the eye autofocus and face detection is fantastic, and it, you know, for that reason why we bought it, to test it, just to show you on screen.
Mm-hmm. Even though the actual eye autofocus box doesn't update with the screen, especially in high-speed shooting, the images are still in focus, and we found on average we had a 9 out of 10 images in focus.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
We were thoroughly impressed with the new autofocus system, and we are so looking forward to the new A73 firmware update, so keep a lookout for that.
So if you like the video, hit the like button.
If you don't, just let us know in the comment section below. And any questions that you may have, please also let us know.
And also hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of future updates.
And the model that was in this video, all her social media links will be down below.
So guys, we'll see you on the next one.
See you very, very soon and enjoy.